Hey, looking for a job but struggling with your CV? Let me show you CV Labz. It builds a professional CV for you in just a few minutes. No design skills needed. Let's walk through it together. First, head to cvlabz.com and sign in. You can use Google, Facebook, or just your email. It takes about 10 seconds. This is your dashboard. Think of it as your home base. From here, you can create a new CV, take a skills assessment, practice for interviews, and a lot more. But let's start with the main thing, building your CV. This is where all your CVs live. You can have multiple versions, one for each type of job you're applying to. Let's create a new one. Step 1. Upload. You've got a few options here. You can upload an existing CV so the system pulls in all your info automatically, or you can paste a job description on the right and the AI will tailor your CV to that specific role. Both are optional. You can also just start from scratch. And here's a pro tip. See this import from LinkedIn button? Just paste your LinkedIn profile URL and CV Labz pulls in your entire work history. Skills, education, everything. It's the fastest way to get started. And because LinkedIn usually has your most up-to-date info, you often get better results than uploading an old PDF. And if your LinkedIn isn't fully up-to-date yet, check out my other videos for some quick tips on how to get that profile in shape first. For now, I will upload my current CV. Done. It's ready to go. Now I hit Parse CV and continue. Parsing. The AI is now reading your CV and pulling out all the important info. Your name, experience, skills, everything. Takes just a few seconds. And while you wait, you will get fun facts. Step 2. Customize. Everything from your CV has been neatly organized into sections. Contact info, professional summary, skills, work experience, education, languages. It's all here. You can click into any section to edit it. Add things, remove things, rewrite anything you want. It's your CV. You're in control. On the right, you'll see a checklist. Green means that section is good to go. If something needs attention, it'll tell you. AI suggestions. Now here's where it gets really cool. See this? The AI noticed one of my description was too long, and it's suggesting a shorter version. I can apply it with one click or edit it myself. There's also an AI suggestion button on each section. It looks at your content and gives you tips to make it stronger, better wording, more impact. Those kind of things. Once everything looks good, hit the purple button to continue. Step 3. Pick a template. Some are clean and minimal. Others are more bold and creative. The popular ones have a little green tag. A few premium ones are marked as pro. Just click the one you like. I'll go with this one. Step 4. Results. And here's your finished CV. Up top, you'll see your match score, how well your CV fits the role. You also see how many sections were improved and how much your profile was boosted. On the left is a live preview of your CV. You can click any section to edit it right here. On the right, the AI assistant is asking smart questions to help you improve even more. Answer the questions, hit submit, and your score goes up. It's like having a career coach built right in. Step 5. You're done. Your CV is ready. You can view it, copy a shareable link, or download it as a PDF. And look at that. A clean, professional 2-page CV, ready to send out. Next steps. But CV Labz doesn't stop there. It recommends your next steps. You can practice for interviews with the AI coach or generate a cover letter that matches your CV. And definitely try the skills assessment. It helps you understand yourself even better. Your strengths, how you work, what kind of team player you are. Super useful for interviews when they ask about you as a person. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you went from a blank page to a polished AI-optimized CV that's ready to get you hired. Try it out for free at cvlabz.com. And good luck with your job search.